In this lesson, we'll explore how to make a technical drawing. As a jewelry designer, you're usually only required to draw technical sketches that give an indication of dimensions. As your experience and technical knowledge grow, the more you'll be able to control the outcome from sketch to the actual jewel. A technical drawing can be made using a rendered or non-rendered design. The more views you add, the clearer you'll show your idea. For pendants and earrings, the best is to show the front and the side view, while for rings and bracelets, the front, side, and top views. For sautoirs and soft necklaces, you need to draw the layout showing the position of your elements and ideally a technical sketch of each element and specifying the chain type. For rigid or modular necklaces, it's important to indicate the dimensions of the sections and elements. To show you the tools to use when you're making technical drawings in Illustrator, we'll apply dimensions to the front view of this medallion. We begin by picking the line segment tool and set the stroke to a 0.25 point gray. Now we click at the top of the medallion and drag the line while pressing the Shift key to make sure that it's straight. Then we copy and drag it down to the bottom with the selection tool. Select the two pieces and head over to Stroke. If you can't see the stroke section, you can make it appear by clicking on it in the window menu. Here we click in the checkbox for dashed line and leave the dash at 4 points. Then we reselect the line segment tool and draw a vertical line to the left. And copy it over to the other side. Now we reselect the line segment tool, click in the dashed line checkbox again to deselect it, and draw a vertical line in between the two horizontal lines. Then we go over to Stroke and click to add arrow 1 on each end of the line. And you can see that 2 arrows have appeared at the ends. Now we use the same technique to draw a horizontal line in between our 2 vertical lines. Now we set the color to be black without an outline. Pick the text tool, place the text on the artboard and type in the length of the medallion. The font and type size is already set like the way we want it, but you can easily change it like we explored in the previous lessons. Then we copy the text to the bottom, highlight it, and type in the width. Congratulations! You've completed the entire chapter and can use all of these amazing tools to draw and render your jewelry in a professional way. Illustrator offers a lot more than we explored here, so if there are other effects you'd like to create, you can easily find out how by searching online.